Okay, you can't see in here. This is Wellington. There is electricity, there is gas, and a ton of fucking garbage. I mean, this is bad. This is really bad. It's gonna need to be painted. It's thanks, whoever. Clearly, another house with a door open. Awesome. Okay, get this painted. Get the carpet replaced. Get it trashed out. This is like the weirdest house I've ever been in. I don't understand it exactly. What the fuck? It's a 4-bed. It's a 4-bed? Okay. Cool. New closet doors, paint, new carpet in the green room. Paint the bathroom, reglaze the tub. That's it. Weird, but I mean, whatever. Okay, the other front green room, the fuck? Oh, God. Leave the chair rail white, paint it blue. You know what? Let's not change out carpets in these bedrooms or this hallway. Let's just try to salvage something here and clean them. Oh my God. Yeah, clean this carpet. It's fine. So just the front room needs new carpet. That's hair. I don't fucking know. Oh my God. Holy fucking God. Okay, clean the bathroom because they clearly didn't the entire time they lived here. Get mold control in here, get that cleaned up. Fixtures are get the round, since we're doing repairs, get the round bulbs. All ceilings, all walls need to be painted. Caulk this, make sure it's still good. I think we can put a bath mat down in here and not replace this tile. Let's just clean it really good. Clean those doors. Get all of this taken care of. New toilet, like, bits. Holy mother of God. All right, I don't know what else to say. That's about it. Has utilities, like I just said, or like I said earlier, rather. Let me know if you need anything.